Hello everyone and welcome back to Phymics. Today we are going to derive a beautiful formula for the radius of the circle that fits perfectly inside a general scalene triangle. This circle is called the incircle. Its center point I is the incenter. Notice how the circle perfectly touches all the three sides of the triangle tangentially. The distance from the center I to any side is the radius denoted by r. The distance from the center I to any side is the radius denoted by r. Since the circle is tangent to the sides, so these radii are exactly perpendicular to the sides A, B and C. Now here is the key geometry in sight. To find r, we need to look at the area. Imagine connecting the incenter to the vertices. We can split the big triangle into three smaller ones. First the red triangle at the bottom, that is triangle IBC. Next the green triangle on the right side, that is triangle ICA. And finally the orange triangle on the left, that is triangle IAB. From figure, it's obvious that the total area of the big triangle is simply the sum of the areas of these three smaller triangles. We know that the area of the triangle is half into base into height. For the red triangle, the base is A and the height is r. For the green, base is B and height is r. For the orange, base is C and height is r. Since r is common to all the three terms, let's factor it out. We are left with r multiplied by half the sum of the sides. As sum of the sides is the perimeter, half of that is called the semiperimeter, denoted by S. On putting S back into our equation, we get the elegant relationship. The total area equals the inradius times the semiperimeter. Finally, solving for r, we get our result. The inradius is simply the area of the triangle divided by the semiperimeter. Simple, elegant and powerful. So this was it for the video. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.